Hello and welcome you all to my YouTube channel English Lovers. In this lesson, I am going to teach you collocations with get. Friends, there are many verbs in English language which we need to know in order to speak better English. So in this series of verbs, there is this verb that is get, and we are going to study how this verb is used in our day-to-day communication. So friends, let us get started. First of all, let me tell you that get is an informal word. So it is more common in spoken English than in written English. So when we speak, we use this word more often than we write. Okay, so we are going to study some usage of this word get with some words, with some phrases and with some expressions, and we are going to see its meaning. So the very first usage is with the adjective. So get is used with the adjective and its meaning is become. How? We are going to see the examples. So it is used with the construction it is plus getting plus that adjective. For example, we say it's getting dark or night. It's becoming dark or night in that sense. It's getting cold or it's getting hot, or it's getting late, it's getting better or it's getting worse, or it's getting busy. Or we can also use this verb get with the pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it and they. So the examples like I'm getting hot or cold, I'm getting tired, okay, or I'm getting better or worse. So here also the meaning is become, or I'm getting hungry, or you can say it's raining, I'm getting wet, I'm becoming wet. So in all these examples, get means become. Get has some other meanings too, so we are going to study them. So get also means buy, get also means receive, get also means find or search, get also means fetch, fetch in the sense of bring, B-R-I-N-G. Okay, we'll see some sentences. The first is, I want to send a postcard, I have to get a stamp. So here in this sentence, I have to get a stamp means I have to buy a stamp. So get means buy, B-U-Y. I'm going to the shop to get a newspaper. Here also, when we say to get a newspaper means to buy a newspaper. Get means buy. Or where can I get a taxi? If somebody says like this, so what does he mean? He means that where can I find a taxi? So get means find. Or I have finished my studies, now I want to get a job. So now I want to find a job. So here in the sentence, get means find. Or when we say my friend is ill, I-double-L, please get a doctor. So here, please get a doctor means please fetch a doctor or please bring a doctor. So get means fetch or bring. Or the last sentence, did you get my letter? So when we ask somebody, did you get my letter? So it means, did you receive my letter? Here we are going to see some fixed expressions with get that are used commonly in day-to-day communication. Okay, so the first is getting married. Getting married, or we say get married, or it's past got married. The sentence like Maria and David are getting married in April. So here getting married is the expression. Married is usually used with get, or here getting. They got divorced last year. So here also with the word divorce also we use get or the past form, that is got. So what does it mean? Get divorced or got divorced means to end a marriage officially, or officially end a marriage. Next is when I got home, I went to my room and got changed. So here what does it mean? Got changed. So got changed means here change clothes. Okay, change clothes. Next is when you get to New York, call me. So here what does it mean? Get to New York. When you arrive in New York. So get here means arrive, A-R-R-I-V-E, arrive in New York, call me. Or I usually get to work before 8:30. So here get to work means arrive at work. So I usually arrive at work before 8:30. Or how can I get to the airport? So here what does it mean? How can I reach the airport? So here get to means reach, R-E-A-C-H. Or sentence like I'll see you when you get back from Hong Kong. So what does it mean here? Get back. Get back means return, R-E-T-U-R-N. Return or come back, like that. I'll see you when you return from Hong Kong. Or a sentence like I got up at 6:30 this morning. I'm tired now. So here got up. There is one verb that is get up. And there is another verb that is wake up. Many learners of language, they don't know the usage of these two phrasal verbs. So when we say wake up, it means we wake up from sleep. We open our eyes. Okay, that is wake up. But many times it happens that we wake up and we lie in bed. We don't want to get up. So here get up means to come out of bed. So I got up at 6:30 this morning. I am tired now. Got up or get up, that is come out of bed. Next expression with get is get dressed. So what does it mean? Get dressed means put your clothes on. For example, a sentence like I got up and got dressed quickly. So I got up and put my clothes on quickly. Next is we went for a walk and got lost. So what does it mean, got lost or get lost? Get lost means to lose your way. You have gone somewhere and you have lost your way. That is we went for a walk and got lost. Next is I get on very well with my sister. What does it mean, get on with or get on very well with? It means that you have a very good relationship with that person. So the meaning of this sentence can be I have a very good relationship with my sister. So if you say that I get on very well with any person, it means that you have a very good relationship with that person. Next is how are you getting on? Now this expression has two meanings, getting on. If you ask it as a general question, it means how is life? Okay, simply if you ask somebody how are you getting on, and if it is a general question, it means how is life. But if you mean a particular thing, it has a different meaning. So what meaning it has? For example, if somebody has taken a course, like say a course in spoken English, and if you ask that person how are you getting on, it means that what progress are you making? Say for example in that English course, how are you getting on? Next is it's difficult to get to know people in a foreign country. So what does it mean, get to know? Get to know means meet people and make friends with them. Okay, so it's difficult to meet people and make friends with them in a foreign country. Next is I want to get rid of all my records. What does it mean to get rid of or get rid of? So here get rid of means sell them away or throw them away or give them away. A sentence like I want to sell all of my records, or I want to give all of my records, or I want to throw all of my records, like that. Next is get home. Now here one thing is to remember that here home is used without to. We don't say get to home, we say only get home. That is important. So for example, what time did you get home last night? So here get home means what time did you come home? We are going to study the last expression with get, and that is get in and get out and get on and get off. Friends, I hope that you are enjoying this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, remember to subscribe it. Okay, we will see those sentences. So we say Tom got in the car and drove away. So here you can also say got into the car. Okay, so here got means sit in the car, sit, but the proper usage is got in or get in. A car stopped and a man got out of it. Out of it, it is used for the car pronoun. So here got out of. Or another usage is there, we should get on the bus it's leaving in 5 minutes. Okay, so here we say get on a bus or get on a train or get on a plane. So the proper usage is get on. Okay, or we can say we got off the bus at the city museum. We got off the bus. Okay, so get off or got off is the opposite of get on or got on. Okay, so get on is the present and got on is the past. In the same way, get off is the present and got off is the past. So we say we got off the bus at the city museum. Got off a bus or a train or a plane. So this is the proper usage, get on and get off. Many learners make a mistake while using this. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video. I'll meet you very soon in another lesson. Thank you.